Born Cottage, the small house design you are watching on the screen. In this video, I'll share the complete detail and sizes of this house. So keep watching this video. So this is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is 19 feet into 18 feet. In the front we have two steps, and after that we have a 3 feet wide outdoor sitting area here. And also in right side we have 2 feet 6 inches wide plantation area here. So there is a sliding door for entering inside. We have a large size window for ventilation and the light purpose. After that we have a living room area 8 feet 10 inches into 8 feet 8 inches. The sofa you can see here, and also a tea table, and in the front wall we have a TV unit here. And after that we will go inside. So we have a kitchen. The size of the kitchen is 5 feet 6 inches into 5 feet 8 inches. You can see here burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. And after that we have right side a bedroom. The size of the room is 9 feet 2 inches into 11 feet 6 inches. You can see here the bed arrangement, drawer arrangement, and also a window for ventilation and light purpose. And with this room we have a attached washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 6 feet into 3 feet 6 inches. You can see the water closet arrangement here. And after that we have a common washroom plus water closet. The size of the washroom is 6 feet 2 inches into 3 feet 6 inches. And for the ventilation we have ventilator for both of washrooms. So this is the plan for a small house design you are watching on the screen. So keep watching the videos and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks.